Hello guys, let's discuss this problem which says the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Now you need to write a linear equation in two variables. So from where you can get these two variables? Now let's suppose cost of pen is x and cost of notebook is y. You know that cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So what can you write? Cost of notebook, which is y, this is twice, which is 2 times the cost of pen, which is x. So this is the linear equation in two variables, x and y are the parameters. So this is the linear equation in two variables. I will be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.